How can I use a conditional expression with if and else in a list comprehension? I have a list comprehension that produces list of odd numbers of a given range. That makes a filter that removes the even numbers. Instead, I'd like to use conditional logic so that even numbers are treated differently but still contribute to the list. I tried this code, but it fails. I know that Python expressions allow a syntax like that. How can I use it inside the list comprehension?
X if Y else Z is the syntax for the expression you're returning for each element. Thus you need. The confusion arises from the fact you're using a filter in the first example, but not in the second. In the second example, you're only mapping each value to another, using a ternary operator expression. With a filter, you need. Without a filter, you need. And in your second example, the expression is a complex one, which happens to involve an if-else.
You can do that with list comprehension too.
Just another solution. Hope someone may like it. Using false, true expression.
Hash how you can skew a list of an array of negative and positive values. Hash all.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.